6055. 6025. 6025.
How we rock, let's go. How we rock, let's go. Yeah. Come on. Get another one. Push. You get another one. Come on. Let me get another one. Right up. Come on. Go. Get up.
You know, my agent came out here and said, wow, 30 teams, you know, I forget where he was at last week, but he said there was nowhere close to the amount of teams that they were here.
Have you learned a lot in this process?
I definitely did, you know, I took a lot out of this, you know. You gotta be patient with this, you know, it's a long process and, you know, it takes a long time, but, you know, if you're patient with it, you know, and you just keep working hard, you know, good things will come.
9 feet.
Everybody that's in this position now, we all drifted, you know, since we were young kids, and you know, to our teenage years, our college years, and everything. So it's not weird at all. It's just a blessing. It was definitely a great experience, and it's one I'll never forget.
Me and Tajay, you gotta think, I got to see Tajay every day. You know, it was hell for me. Him and Fro had a good connection. You know, it was hell for me. I got chewed out if I didn't, you know, give Tajay a look. You know, but man, he got me better. He got this team better.
Touch. Go around his cone. Don't go over it. Don't knock it over. Underneath this one, same thing here. Do not knock the screen over. Do not put your hand down and turn around.
Over the 3-point stance, not track. You can't come out of 4-point stance, right?
When you're ready to take off, cock your off hand. It's not counting your brain. 1,000, 2,000, take off. You got 240s. You guys need any help to start, let me know now. You guys got 5 minutes, all right? Same order, tight weight. If you have any questions, let me know.
I will, you know. I mean, I wish we could come out here and do a scrimmage, you know. I mean, that's what I look at. But you know, it's part of the process. You gotta just do whatever they throw at you.
Obviously, you're trying to football as hard as you can a lot of times, but you're trying to football accurately as well. So you miss a pass, you think, hey, you know, obviously you don't want to do that, but that's a chance of getting a catch. So it's kind of, especially when we're creating the script, I'm trying to find stuff that they're good at, that we work well together. It's like you're kind of like a little give and take there with the receivers.
But you know, I feel like, you know, I'm definitely one of the best receivers in this draft, and I'm confident in my abilities. And when I get the opportunity, I'm definitely gonna show it.
Did well enough, but there's definitely more left on the table when I want to, you know, get in somewhere and definitely show them I can play. Because I'm a gamer, you know. Drills are cool, but I'm a gamer.
It was good, you know, it's fun getting back out here with the guys again, you know, seeing Taj, Rodney, you know, Fro, all of us, Back Jet, you know, it's just a great time seeing everyone do good today.
Today was good, you know. We've been through a lot these 4 years, and we treated today like a celebration, you know. This was the end. This is a good way to go out. This is what we deserve, you know, all of us together, showing off our talents. And we came in together, we knew how good we were, and hopefully today proved that.